Hi guys, just wanted to make a quick video to show how to use a ratchet strap. So let's say you've got a load of cargo, you've got your ratchet strap already loaded over it nice and flat. You've got a hooked end, and then you have an end that's just an empty strap. The end with the other hook and the ratchet mechanism is going to have a little spring on there on one end of the ratchet mechanism. If you press that spring, it's going to let you lock it open. With the ratchet mechanism locked open, you can move this little slotted cylinder by hand. So you just want to move it so that that slot is easily accessible. And the idea is going to be to use that to continue this line just like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the end of our strap, we're going to insert it through that slot, and then we're going to run it back through just underneath that slotted cylinder, like that. Now we can take up as much slack as we need to. I'll run the open end of my hook there into the closed end, take up some slack. And now if I depress that spring again, it's going to let that unlock, and I can actually start ratcheting it. Just after a few clicks, you can see we got a pretty solid purchase there already. And then you can just keep using that to tighten down your cargo. Now, to release that strap, you would depress that spring once again, and that's going to let you open it all the way up again, and you can pull it free. Now notice when we put this on, we wanted it so that the ratchet mechanism would be facing away from our cargo. If it was facing towards the cargo, of course you couldn't ratchet it down tight. So it has to be facing away just like that there. That's pretty much it.